Yeah. Rain should be on his way.
Cool out, okay?
Oh, yeah.
First time to a strip club?
Rain, where the fuck are you?
Well, I'm touching myself, Jay.
Oh, well, you touch yourself in the strip club. It's just worth touching yourself over, trust me.
Okay. The loading screen's over. I'm done. I'm coming.
Hurry up before
That
Shelby
sounded
scores
really
me.
wrong, by the way.
Hey,
I'm on
nothing's
my
wrong in
way.
this world. I mean, Gob, we're talking about a world where we have stripping Christmas trees. I don't think wrong even begins to cover it.
Oh, stop.
I'm coming.
No, I was doing my my daily I read my news every day, Jay. It's when I get home from work, and it's no longer reading the news. Now it's our slow, steady descent into fascism.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I've also noticed how the Onion is probably not gonna be able to compete this year. They might go out of business.
Yeah,
Yep,
yeah.
probably.
I'm trying to immigrate too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she's
let's,
our newest.
Oh, what's
I think
up,
she's our
Shawnee?
newest IFAT member.
Slick,
Yeah,
let's get
Shawnee's
this
a
done quicker
fapper.
because I gotta go to the bathroom very badly.
Our newest IFAT member.
And you've grown, and you've grown so fast,
Oh,
Shawnee.
we met through Scorp, and that's all I know. I don't know how he met you.
Thank you, sir.
You were but a little level 30 when we met you. Now you're all grown up, level 75.
Aw,
Lord.
they grow up so
No.
fast.
I was
They also go in a slow descent of bankruptcy too, because she's obviously stripping for cash right now.
Yikes. Alright, Whitman's coming on as well, looks like.
Rain, get over here. Quit
One
flying over there.
second, I
Get
gotta
over
plug
here.
in my headphones.
Plug them in faster, damn it!
I only got 20 minutes. They're gonna die, man. They're all gonna die, then they're all gonna laugh.
We're already
laughing.
laughing. Get over here.
They're all gonna laugh at me. God, what the fuck?
Come the fuck on, Rain. We don't have all day.
Do we gotta get into the dick baggers and 36 dicks again, Jay?
You mean 32 dicks, but yes.
No, 36.
Rain,
It's
I'm
like a
starting my
baker's
own
dozen.
Rain, I'm starting my own dickbagger religion, and I believe it's 32.
No, no, you can't. There will be no schism in this church. God dag nabbit. Fucking, I don't cotton to no sassafras fucking 32 dicks in a bag.
I'm sure Sabrina agrees with me. It's 32. But what about you, Studio? It's 32 or 36? Six, long too.
Studious, are you of the church of 36 dicks?
Studious, have you heard of our Lord and Studious? Have you heard of our
Yeah,
Lord
I
and
think I'm
Savior,
gonna be an
32 dick
atheist,
bag?
man. Actually, I'm gonna be an agnostic. That's what I am.
Oh, get this tree. This tree is my god. Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, agnostic, Slick means someone who does
There's
not
someone out there. I just don't give a fuck who. Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. You may believe in a god, but you don't practice or necessarily have a
No, you don't-
ritualized
but-
tradition.
No, agnostic means that someone who does not know. That's the literal
Oh, yeah.
definition of the word. Yeah. So basically,
Look
they
at this,
can't
Rain.
know.
Look at this.
No. It basically states that there is no way to know whether or not there is a god or not. So, yeah, there's just no way to know. That's basically what being an agnostic is. Atheists are
Well,
the
that-
exact opposite. They know for sure, they believe for sure that there's no god. You learn about life. That's right.